Hi everyone, today we are going to take a look at the 3 best bird carriers in the market. We'll talk about what you should look for before buying bird carriers. You can find timestamps and links to order the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. At number 3. AKKYC Portable Travel Bird Cage. Pet owners can strap this option onto their shoulder or hold it comfortably with their hands. The combination of mesh and lightweight cloth makes it easy to carry, as well as provides a comfortable environment for birds to rest. Easy to clean and store away for daily use. Additional perch can be removed depending on users' preferences. Simple to clean, carry, and store, this is an excellent bird carrier for those wanting to use it on a regular basis. Bottom can be somewhat flimsy. At number 2. X-Zone Pet Portable Bird Carrier. Combination of hexagonal mesh and polyethylene materials makes it effortless to transport. Mesh design provides smooth airflow while preventing biting or grabbing from the birds. Dual zippers make it simple to assemble and disassemble when not in operation. Transparent on both sides for better viewing. Suggested for mini macaws, cockatiels, quakers, and similar-sized birds. Both owners and their birds can enjoy the view through the lightweight design and wide window of this carrier. Not as high quality as some of the other products on this list. At number 1. Colorday Lightweight Bird Carrier. Owners can travel easily with this lightweight option via the shoulder sling or carry-on handle. Transparent sides offer a full range of vision for your bird to enjoy. Ventilation slots built into all 4 sides for a breezy and airy feel. Mesh is designed to prevent grabbing. Owners can choose between the large or medium sizes depending on their preference. Simply sling this sturdy bird carrier onto your shoulder to travel with your pet while hiking, shopping, or running errands. Some users report that the protective film peels off. Thanks for watching. For more details follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.